Are you ready for back to school? Oh, who am I kidding? Is your home ready for back to school? That's the better question. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 hacks for getting your home ready for back to school so you can send those kiddos off and actually get stuff done during the day. I'm Jessica from theorganizedmama.com. I help families just like you with easy organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 easy back-to-school hacks that your entire family can use to make mornings less stressful. Okay, first hack. A morning routine really helps just ease everybody into the day. Now, I'm sure you have a morning routine without even knowing it. Mine consists of getting out of bed, getting coffee, drinking the coffee, then talking to everyone. So, yes, I have a morning routine, and your kids should too. For young kids or even elementary school age kids, having something that's easy, tangible, and visual is the best way to ease into their morning. For this morning routine, we only have 6 steps. And my kiddos get to pick the night before what order they want to put their steps in. For example, my daughter picked get dressed, make bed, pack backpack, put on shoes, then she's going to eat and brush her teeth. Don't know why she's putting her shoes on when she did, but I'm letting her do it because if that's going to get her out the door quicker, I am all for it. This morning routine is free on the blog. Woo woo! Below, just click the link and then you can get this printable for free. We keep our morning routine on a clipboard because then if the kids want to carry it around with them, then they can. It hangs in their bedroom and then every night we can set it up. That's part of our bedtime routine. Hack number 2, create a loading zone. And this also, at the end of the day, is a dumping zone. What I mean by that is create a space in your home. For us, we have cubbies. Other families, they have a mudroom. Some families, we've done big giant baskets or bins where all your stuff goes. Just create a spot where your kiddos can take their backpack and their shoes, and they have one designated spot for all of those things to go. Because all of their things are in one designated spot, it makes packing up for the day so much easier. So get some hooks and just stick them on the wall. If you have cubbies, set them up so that they can best meet your family's needs. For us, each one of us has our own cubby with a bunch of hooks. And on those hooks, we have our backpacks. Below, we have shoes. Any paperwork or anything that they need is in our command center, which we will get to in a second. And in like the winter months, jackets, gloves, hats, all of that is in this one loading zone area. Super easy. Everybody in the family can maintain it, which is key. When setting up your loading zone, think about all the things that the kids need, that you need, and group them all together, store them in one area. So like I've said, we've done giant baskets where backpacks and shoes and everything can fit into for each kid. We've done just a wall of hooks everywhere, and each kid gets a few hooks that have their name right above it. We've done cubby systems. You have to do what works for your space and your family. Hack number 3, backpack checklist. This is another freebie on the blog just for you. Head to the description, click that link, and you can get this backpack checklist too. This is an amazing, amazing checklist where you can write down all of the things that your kiddo must pack in their backpack. This takes so much pressure off of you. You shouldn't be packing your kids' backpacks. Kindergartners is when this should start. You need to give them the responsibility. So either write down or use pictures for all of their backpack needs. I suggest hanging the backpack checklist near where the backpacks are. laminate it or put it on a clipboard, whatever's easier for you and your family, but this way it's just their responsibility. Hack number 4, setting up a command center. Whenever we've set up command centers, the purpose is one location for all papers to go. This includes the school directory, the rule book, any important date calendar, class lists, plus an easy spot for the kids to put all of their paperwork. Some families, we've created a command center using clipboards. So we cover the wall with clipboards, and then when the kids empty their baskets, they hang up their artwork on clipboards. When the clipboards get too full, we pick what we want to keep and what we want to recycle and put all of the ones we want to keep either in their memory box or turn them into a book. The biggest things when setting up a command center, make sure you have a designated spot for everyone's papers and artwork. Make sure you have a designated spot for the directories and class lists and schedules. And then make sure you have a designated spot for some of those random papers or brochures or magazines that you want to keep just for a short period of time. You know, like when it's around the holidays and they send you those catalogs that you can buy stuff. I like to use like a magnetic board or push pin board to hold all of those all of those catalogs. That way you can just keep it up, see it, put in your order, and then be done. That also works for those Scholastic book orders too. You can hang them up so you don't have to order all the books right that second, but it's in your face so you can see it. Hack number 5, keep your closets and drawers organized. Keeping your drawers and closets organized is super helpful when it comes to picking out your clothes in the morning. Some people recommend picking out the clothes the night before, but I found with my kiddos that's not even a thing. We just make more of a mess. So they pick their clothes in the morning and it's completely fine. Now it's your turn to get your home ready for back to school. Love this video? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday with bonus videos that only my subscribers will know about.